start something. Operators in Python. What are operators? Operators in Python are special symbols for keywords that perform operations on variables and values. Python supports a wide variety of operators for arithmetic, comparison, logical operations, and more. Types of operators in Python. Python provide the following category for operators: arithmetic operators, comparison, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assessment operators, identity operators, membership operator. First of all, let's know about the arithmetic operators used to perform mathematical operations like plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modules, exponent. These are the arithmetic operators. So for addition, suppose you have value 5 plus 3 8, 5 minus 3 2, 5 into 3 15, 5 divide 2, division it's 2.5, floor division 5 divide 2, it's 2. So 2 is a like what we say, this is not remainder value of 2, this is a whole value. 5 square 2, this is 1 is a remainder value here for the modulus, so remainder value calculate in the modulus part. Okay, division, floor division, modules, these are the like a bit of in the understanding. Okay, 5 exponent to 3 125. Comparison, relational operators used to compare two values and return a boolean result. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are the comparison operators. Logical operator used to combine conditional statements, logical and logical or logical not. Logical and means both the values, if both the values are like both the values need to be true, then after the output come true, otherwise output always will be false. In the logical and operators like true and false, so it is going to result false only. If there is true and true, then the output should be true. Logical or true or false, the first value is true, so yeah, it is going to be true. It's a true or true, then it is going to be true. False or true, going to be true. False or false, then it is going to be false. This is the logical or operator. Logical note is like not true or always opposite to whatever लिखा, not true it's false, not false it's true. Bitwise operator on binary numbers, bitwise and XOR, bitwise not, left shift, right shift, these are the bitwise operators. Assessment operators. Okay, assessment is like assigning the values, and yeah, there are first only is equal to assign for the assigning x equal to 5 an example. So this is like a normal, like we, x is a variable and 5 is a value object what we are addressing as an x. Add and assign x plus is equal to 3 means x is equal to x plus 3, x plus is equal to 3 means x is equal to x plus 3. So whatever the x next x going to be, the value is, suppose I am giving the value of x is equal to 1, so the here the x value depends on 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So okay, x subtract and assign minus is equal to 3, x minus 3. Okay, x multiply and assign, multiply is equal to 3, this is something like this. Okay, division and assign, floor division and assign, modulus and assign, exponent and bitwise and assign. Okay, so this is assessment operators. Identity operators used to compare memory addresses of two objects. Is or is not, there are two operators for identity operators. Is returns true if both objects refer to the same memory location, x is y, true. Comparison between the memory addresses of two objects. Return true is if they refer to different memory location. X is not Y, false. Membership operator used to check if a value exists in a sequence. Used to compare the memory addresses of two objects. So here is the difference. And used to check if a value exists in a sequence. Returns true if the value exists in the sequence. A in apple, true. Returns true if the value does not exist in the sequence. X not in apple, true. Okay. Global and local variables. Local variables declare inside a function and accessible only within that function. Global variables declare outside the function and accessible throughout the program. Operators in Python are essential for performing operations, comparison, and logical decision. Mastering these operators allow you to write efficient and expressive Python code.